In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create links from text on card.co. Let's start from inside your card editor. Once your site is open, move your attention to the top right corner of the screen. You'll see a small plus icon there. Go ahead and click that. This is how you add new elements to your page. From the drop-down that appears, choose the text option. Card will add a new text element to your page. You'll see this new text block appear on your canvas. If it's not in the exact spot you want, don't worry. You can click and drag the text element to reposition it. Just drag and drop it to wherever you'd like it to be on your layout. Take a moment to place it in a spot that makes sense for your design, like under a heading or next to an image. Now look over to the left side of your screen. This is your settings panel for the text element. At the top, you'll find a field where you can type your text. This is where we'll create the clickable link. Just below that text field, you'll see a small Markdown formatting guide. This is important because Card uses Markdown syntax to turn plain text into links and other formatted elements. To create a link from text using Markdown, you'll follow a very specific pattern. First, type an opening square bracket. Immediately after that, type the text you want to be clickable. This is what your visitors will see on the page. Then type a closing square bracket. Right after that, type an opening parenthesis. Inside the parentheses, paste or type the full URL you want the text to link to. Finally, close it with a closing parenthesis. So the structure looks like this: opening bracket, your link text, closing bracket, opening parenthesis, your URL, and then closing parenthesis. Make sure there are no extra spaces in the middle of the brackets and parentheses, or the link might not work correctly. Once you've typed that out, glance over at the main preview of your page. You should now see your text displayed as a hyperlink. It will usually appear in a different color or underlined depending on your theme. Hover over it to confirm that it looks like a link, and if you want to double check, you can use the site preview or publish temporarily to test that it opens the correct page. And that's all you need to do to create links from text on card.co.